Are you searching for best digital oscilloscope? So now you are in the right place for getting the valuable info digital oscilloscopes. In this video, we shortlisted top 5 best digital oscilloscope. We made this list based on our personal opinion. After perform our research based on their price, quality, durability and other related issue, and we ranked them. For more info, link on description. Starting at number 1 as HANMATEK DOS 1102 Best Digital Oscilloscope. Product key features. 1. One-click show all measurements. 2. Built-in FFT spectrum analysis function. 3. Waveform zoom function. 4. Auto cursor function. 5. Support multi-language. 6. 7-inch TFT, True Color, LCD screen. 7. Automatic range function. 8. U-disk storage function. 9. Portable and lightweight. Coming in at number 2 FNIRSI 1014D Digital Oscilloscope. FNIRSI 1014D is a 2-in-1 oscilloscope and signal generator. The real-time sampling rate is 1 GSAS, and with 100 MHz 2 analog bandwidth, with 7-inch TFT LCD display screen, the built-in high-voltage protection module can tolerate up to 400 V continuous voltage, without worrying about the oscilloscope burning accident caused by the probe not moving to 10x gear, built-in DDS function signal generator, and the industry's original chopping output. Built-in DDS signal generator support 12 kinds of function signal. Capture output signal function, which can store up to 1000 capture signals. At number 3 is YEAPOOK ADS 1013D Digital Tablet Oscilloscope 2 channels and 1 GSA/S sample rate. Professional designed, 2 channels, HD touch screen, 7-inch supersize color TFT LCD touch display with 800*480 resolution. Manual cursor measurement, visualize fine resolution and signal detail. 240K record length. Find elusive problems in complex digital streams with long acquisitions at high. Number 4 is OWON HDS 242 HDS 272 3-in-1 handheld digital oscilloscope, 3.5-inch LCD screen, 3.5-inch, 320*240, high resolution and high contrast TFT color LCD screen, clear and delicate display for reading values and observing waveform details. 2-in-1 testing meter, oscilloscope plus multimeter. 1 machine in hand, worry-free testing. Suitable for outdoor maintenance, rapid on-site measurement, automobile maintenance, power detection, etc. High-precision professional multimeter with data hold function, support measuring voltage, current, resistance, diode, capacitance and continuity test. 2 acquisition modes. Peak detect is used for the detection of the jamming burr and the possibility of reducing the confusion. 7 kinds of auto measurement: frequency, period, amplitude, max, min, mean and PK. Max 6 auto measurements can be displayed on the screen at the same time. Cursor measurement function supports measuring the voltage difference between cursors, V, and the time difference between cursors. The last is number 5 DS213 Mini Digital Oscilloscope. The DS213 oscilloscope is a 5-track 4-wire general-purpose electronic engineering task digital storage oscilloscope based on the ARM Cortex-M3 core. Using the FPGA's external ADC's management control and data cache mode of operation, it provides 4 application partitions for loading and upgrading up to 4 different application firmware. Product features: mini size, lightweight, portable and handheld. It can store waveforms, making waveform analysis clearer and more effective. Multiple trigger modes, support ascend/descend edge trigger, positive, negative pulse trigger and logic trigger. Powerful ability to process waveforms. It can automatically measure parameters such as voltage, frequency, and pulse width.